Oh, you'll eat... Sorry.
I'm not coming out. The whole jungle has a cold, and if anyone gives it to me, I'll rip them to pieces. Is he now? Rebecca, is there something wrong with you?
No, nothing wrong. See? Oh, no.
What are you doing?
Oh, run for your lives! No, it's all right, it's all right. I have an idea.
Thank you, Baloo.
Oh.
Oh, no.
We were right behind him.
Finally, the man cub is mine. Nothing can stop me now. Huh? You do have the cold after all. I told you what I'd do. Get away from me!
I couldn't even catch a cold. Oh, wait. I did.
Don't deserve any tobacco. Uh-oh.
Take cover! Why?